in University of Diponegoro, Universitas Diponegoro.
Semarang ya?
Yes.
Semarang. So, but you already almost graduated. That's why you need the IELTS score to be graduated.
I'm currently in the 4th semester, but I'm planning to go on an exchange on the 5th or 6th semester. So
yeah. The exchange to which country?
Technically, I'm aiming for Australia or Netherlands.
Okay. If any other information, if Australia, is it already aiming to specific university?
I'm aiming to Queensland, but I'm not quite sure myself.
Okay.
If I'll get the opportunity.
Yeah, I was living there, so it may be something that I would like to give information about. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you, Miss. How should I call you? Tisha? Latisha?
It's fine. You can call me Tisha or Latisha. It's whatever you want.
Okay. Thank you, Miss Latisha. Yeah.
Yes.
I will proceed to Miss Olivia. Yeah, Miss Olivia, right?
Yes, Miss, you're right.
Yes, Miss Olivia. How would I call you? And then you can directly present yourself. Yeah.
Okay. Hi, Miss Nina. My name is Olivia. Right now I'm 16 years old, and now I'm a student from Semakrip Nabur, Jakarta. So I take this IELTS course because I want to study abroad, and I should reach my IELTS score until 6.
6, yeah. Is it already aiming to specific university, or you are now in grade 12?
Now I'm at 11th grade.
11th grade, and then you are already aiming to go to one specific university later on after that means the next
because
2 years.
Yeah, because I aiming for the foundation class for the university. So I'll take the foundation first, and then the next year I'll take the bachelor degree.
Okay. Thank you, Miss Olivia. You prepare and plan well for your future. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you, Miss.
Currently, my son also in 11th grade, and then he is also preparing for that. Okay, thank you. That was quite interesting. Now, many youngsters are joining the IELTS because of there are so many offers as well, and then related to pandemic, and then better study. Yeah. I'm sorry. The one in here in my screen appear as iPhone. Would you mind giving name to your screen? So I would like to, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, before that, I would like to give opportunity to Miss Adiba. Miss Adiba, would you kindly present yourself?
Okay, my name is Adiba Kulsum. You all can call me Adiba. I'm taking an IELTS program because for study abroad, and I'm a student of Pembangunan Nasional Jakarta University.
UPN, yeah.
Currently, yes, right. In 6th semester.
6th semester. And then why do you take IELTS course?
For study abroad.
For study abroad later on after you graduated, yeah, from your bachelor degree, of course. Yes, another students with this time mind. Okay, thank you, Miss Adiba. I can call you Adiba, yeah?
Okay.
Adiba or Kulsum?
Oh, whatever you want, actually.
Okay, both goes well, yeah. I like Adiba. Thank you, Miss Adiba. Now, the one with iPhone hasn't changed the name. So I will proceed with Hiskia first. Hiskia is a woman or man?
Amen.
Hiskia, okay. So So that's why I asked, yeah. In my opinion, it looks like girl, but maybe man as well. So would you mind introduce yourself to us? Yes.
Okay, my name is Hiskia Manurung. You can call me Kia. I want to take IELTS because I want to continue to master degree.
Kia, you are using two gadget, yes?
Just one.
Just one. And then
Yeah.
Inger seems, oh, I thought Inger is speaking when you were talking. Okay. So currently, you are now a student or an employee or something?
Employee.
Employee in?
Yeah. I'm an auditor at Coordinating Ministry for Maritime and Investment Affairs,
Oh, interesting.
and you can call Mr. Luhut.
A civil servant or private?
Civil.
Civil servant. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Mr. Kia. Yes. Let me later explain. Continue with Joshua. Joshua Frederick.
Yes, miss.
Yes. Kindly.
Okay. My name is Jose Frederick. You can call me Josh or Jose or Jose. I'm 22 years old. I am a student from University Pembangunan Nasional in Jakarta, PN.
With
I'm a student of law in the sixth semester.
sixth semester.
Yeah,
That means exactly the same.
sixth semester.
Who was before from UPN as well? Olivia? From
Adiba Kutsum.
Adiba. So you
Yes.
are friends. You are friends
Yes.
in the same
Yes,
university.
yes, we are friends. Yeah.
Different major or the same major?
Same major.
Same major.
Same major.
Law student.
Law students. Okay. Welcome. Welcome to
Yes,
all of
miss.
you. Thank you, Mr. Jose. Now Inger
Yes.
can present herself. Inger girl, ya? Female.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, female.
Okay. Hello, my
Inger.
name is Inggarai. You can call me Inggar, and I'm 24 years old, and I'm a employee in Bank Negara Indonesia.
And then only employee or you currently also still studying? Just employee now.
Just employee now.
And then you graduated from bachelor degree from which university?
Brawijaya University, Miss.
Brau is Malang, is it?
Yes,
Malang.
yes,
Okay, beautiful,
that's true.
beautiful town. Yeah,
Yes.
Okay, and then one more, Mr. iPhone. Sorry, I don't try to offend you, yeah? Who
Okay.
is this? Thank you, Miss Inggar.
Yeah, Miss. Thank you.
Who is this? Yes, Mr.
Yes.
iPhone. Yeah, you cannot change your name? Can you change your name?
Actually, I couldn't find any option to change
Yeah.
the username.
Like this, yeah?
I
You
am
appear,
use Zoom.
you appear the name iPhone, and then touch it, click right, touch it, click right,
Right.
click
Okay.
right, yeah, and then you can just change with iPhone with your name.
Actually,
It's not appearing. Well, anyway, it's okay.
yeah, it's not appearing on my iPhone screen.
Right click in your name and then you rename it. Right, Tani. Thank you.
Even I don't find my name. I don't find. I don't know why.
Okay, yeah, and then your name is okay. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. You can just present yourself. Yeah. Then we know you
Okay.
are using iPhone. Yes. And then you can present yourself now to us.
Yeah. Good afternoon, Miss. My name is Charlie Septian. You can call me Rinaldi.
Rinaldi.
Yeah, my purpose of taking IELTS because it is a requirement for applying working holiday visa to Australia, and I would like to apply that visa.
Okay, that means you are below 30, yeah? You are under
Yes.
30. Since you are considering to take the working holiday visa, surely you are below 30. Yeah.
Yes.
How do you know about working holiday visa?
Actually, I know working holiday visa from my friend,
Hmm.
so it is interested for me. Then I will try to apply this visa.
Yeah. And then for working holiday visa, it tends not needing too high score, only 4.5, yes, sir, isn't it?
Yes,
Yes.
but yeah, I aiming to get
Yeah.
6.0.
Oh, okay. That means you can aim for working holiday visa, and then later on you can use your IELTS score also to take the scholarship if you already there. That is even better. Yeah. Okay. Good luck. Yeah. Hopefully. Thank you, everyone. Everyone got the turn already, yes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. 10, 9 of you. Already, right? All of you? Yes. Okay. Already.
I think so, Miss.
Yes. 9 of you. Minus and plus, there might be something that I can help you, but anyway, anytime you also have any source of information and or something that you want to discuss with me, yeah, you can just directly say it in the class in a proper manner, yeah, and then we will use that to become motivation for each one of you to be better, yeah, to get the highest score as you can. Yeah, I'm also learning, and then maybe I learn before you, and then I have also my education degree that can support my teaching, yeah, but of course I'm also still learning, yeah. So I know this is your second session except for Leticia, but then I would like to give sharing first what my knowledge about IELTS, unless all of you already know very well from the first session, so you don't want me to do. Which one? Is Miss Effie already explained the globally about IELTS? Did she?
Yes, she did. Yes, she did.
Okay, now tell me if you already know. So sometimes this is for me to check also your grammatical and your pronunciation. Yes, Mr. Tony, how would you like describe IELTS with
Yeah,
the timing and then with how many skills, something like that?
actually, I ever take the general IELTS test. The IELTS test itself separated for 4 sections, and the first one is about the listening, and the other will be 40 question. Yeah,
Each.
and then each, and the second section is reading. Yeah, it is. I think exam have 40 questions too. So in this section, yeah, there's a text that we need to read, and then we can find the answer from the text. And yeah.
And then your purpose of taking IELTS test is for what kind of purpose?
I want to get a maximum grade for apa ya?
For achieve what? To continue your study?
Yes.
Or
Yes,
that is,
for continue my study.
you are still in high school.
Yes.
Okay, and then you want to take your bachelor degree later on. If you consider
Yes.
that you are going, you need the IELTS score, that means maybe you will take the international class in Indonesia, or you are aiming to other countries.
Other country.
Other country. Okay. So hopefully that this class will have a beneficial side, yeah, to help you later on. This is your trial class, yeah.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Vio. How do I call you, Vio? Adi?
Yes, Vio.
Vio. Okay. Thank you. for joining us. Okay, may I proceed? Yeah, I'm sorry that you came late, but I have to proceed. Yeah, you can just follow up. Later on, I will repeat anyway. Yeah, I will repeat in others.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, so right, Mr. Tony, that is 37% for the housing because the highest number of all, yeah, the highest number for all category for percentage is in housing and it was taken by UK, yeah. But if I want you to evaluate first one by one, yeah, one by one, which one is the highest for food and drink? Anyone can answer?
Turkey.
Miss.
Turkey.
Turkey, good. For housing, the highest one?
UK.
UK.
UK. For clothing?
Germany.
Germany.
Germany. And then for
Germany.
Germany, Miss.
entertainment,
Germany too.
Germany.
Germany too.
Germany.
Yeah. So that mean there is a significant things that you can directly know. Germany has taken highest percentage for clothing and entertainment. Yeah, that means Germany is supposed to be put, the condition of Germany is supposed to be put in your second paragraph. Yeah, because that is the general idea. Yeah, you can state UK as the highest point for all category plus Germany as the country who has two highest point for two categories. Yeah, that is what I want to direct you in writing the second paragraph. Yeah, the second paragraph, this one. Okay. If talking about the lowest one, is there any specific countries that always having the least number or no? Be carefully observe the picture. Is there any specific countries that always shows low score?
No, Miss.
Yeah. So you can state that as well. Because what? That is the general overview. There is no country shows either always becoming the highest or becoming the lowest. If you have time, of course, in observing the table, yeah, because the table or the pie chart or the bar graph, it always show different things, yeah. So whatever you can catch in your mind very fast in analyzing the general things, you write it down, yeah. Hopefully, if you can get all, yeah. Today, because together, yeah, and then still not tired, as I mentioned again, writing is also the same day with reading and listening, yeah. So barely practice will make you perfect, yeah. In evaluating all the general overview, stare at the picture first. Do not write directly. No, it wouldn't help you, yeah, to create high score, I mean, yeah. So yeah, that is the one that you put in the second paragraph, yeah. What I mean by the highest and then the lowest, yeah. Coming back to the details of comparison. The details of the comparison means you are going to analyze one single country and then compare it with other country. One single category, compare it with another category. If I may lead now. From this one. Okay, one by one of you, yeah, I let you send privately, yeah, your writing for paragraph 2. I give you 2 minutes starting now. WhatsApp, yeah, all of you has my WhatsApp except Vio. Vio, you don't have my WhatsApp, yeah.
Yes, Miss.
How do I, can I have your number? Can I have you just write my number and then you can send me, or you can just later on tell me, yeah. Later on you can just tell me, you don't have to send, yeah, since
Okay.
you're in a trial, yeah. Okay, now start. 2 minutes. Describe to me second paragraph. which is mentioned the general overview of this table. 1954. Paragraph 2. Paragraph 2. 19 has one table. 1954 and 1957. 1957, give me. Oops, sorry. I sent already in the group our table. Yeah. Usually my other student, the rest of the other group, they always use two gadgets, so I can lead them with other needed vocabularies or pattern. Okay, everyone can see in the group. But I cannot move the screen because Phil is not in the group. Done. Do you mind sending that to me? I'm sorry, may I know the one ending with number 68, the phone number 68? Who is that? I want to put the name. Or when you send, could you kindly say your name? Yeah. 7868 is whose number?
Yes, Miss. That's my number. Inggar.
Inga. Okay, Inga.
Sorry, I think there.
No problem. Ingar has sent me. And then Jalu as well. try to not yet start writing yet. Try to see the picture first and then be ready for the third paragraph. Yeah, for the third paragraph while I'm checking. Only three people have sent me the answer. Yeah, Jalu and then Jose and Ingar. How about others? Mr. Tony? Miss Dewi?
Not yet, Miss.
No.
Wait a minute.
Here like this, yeah. Every one of you, yeah. Why you are taking the IELTS course? Yes, it is to make sure that you do everything in a proper timing. This is practice, yeah. And then you also expected not to use any tools, not grammar, not Grammarly, not your dictionary, just barely whatever in your head. So later on, I would like to know my students one by one. Yeah. So stay with the time. In the group, I are always going to give you the timing. Yeah. When it is already reached the timing, for example, today 1957, send me. It doesn't matter. Yeah, it doesn't matter the result. I want to see really the fixed position of you now. Okay, thank you. Dewi already sent quite long, yeah, but I consider the timing is more than the one that I give to other students. Yeah, thank you. And then here is ending with 353. Who is this? The number 353.
It's me.
Me?
Latisha. I'm sorry.
Yeah. Okay, Latisha. GOC 8. Your group name is GOC 8, yes? Okay, Rinaldi, you can be listener, yeah? That will be okay. Rinaldi. GOC 8. The one ending with number 0152?
It's me, Miss Olivia.
Olivia. Yes. It's a little bit long in the beginning. I have to add your name one by one first. Iskia. Yes. Quite good, Hiskia. Yeah. I will put you in your writing in the slide later on. Fio, if you want to say about your summary, about your paragraph 2, what will become your writing? I can type for you now.
Okay, Miss.
You have to state the highest or the lowest as the general overview for the paragraph 2.
Okay. the highest first, Miss.
Yes. The highest first, okay. The lowest first, okay. It doesn't matter.
Can I see the
Picture.
diagram?
Yes.
Yes. Country that have the highest score is UK. UK have the highest, Miss.
The highest. In the category of
Yeah.
what he is the highest, but in the category of what? Of what sector? Of
Of
what category?
housing.
Okay. So the highest percentage of
Percentage of
blah 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 blah. Yeah, you mentioned the title. Yeah,
yes.
is taken by UK.
Okay.
How many percent?
37%.
37%. 37%. Okay. With the in the category of
Housing.
housing. Yeah. Okay, this is likely something, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, that one. So, and then I want to show something that is made by Saskia. Let me first find Saskia. His Kia, I'm sorry, his Kia.
It's okay, Miss. It's okay.
Yeah, this is from here. I'm taking as the sample the one that I think show the best one. And then later on you can just, okay. From this table, maybe Kia can just read for us.
From this table, we can find that UK has the biggest proportion of household income from 5 European countries, especially in housing category. And the lowest proportion is Spain in clothing category. Germany get 2 highest point, but no one always get the lowest point.
Okay, this is totally described for all category, yeah. The one that we already discussed before, yeah. In a short amount of time. How long did I give you the changes? You have to write this. Only 3 minutes, yeah, because that is your time, really. 3 minutes, yeah. So the division of timing for creating writing task 1 is about, yeah, 3 minutes for your introduction, paragraph 1, 3 minutes for your general overview in paragraph 2, and then around 7 minutes for comparing the details in paragraph 3. Yeah, that means 3, 3, 6, 6 plus 7, that is 13. And then after that, you can always write also conclusion around 3 minutes. That means all it is already taken 15 minutes. And then you consider miss why 15 minutes? Why 15 minutes? Because 5 minutes going to be editing time. Okay. Consider 20 minutes is not 20 minutes for writing all, yeah. But writing task 1 and writing task 2 is a matter of revising, but revise with yourself, yeah, not with teacher anymore. Later on when you do the test, yeah, of course I cannot help, no one can help you, no gadget also can help you, yeah. So you create this in 3 minutes, yeah, Kia and Vio, yeah. But Vio maybe because he came later on, he didn't follow from the very beginning. So this is the one that he said. But if we want to join all, yeah, this is the one that Vio made, and then the one that Kia made is one whole pack, yeah. In here we see, from this table we can find that you can exhibit. And then what is the 5 minutes last for, miss, for editing? Any of you wants to edit this? Dewi, with 6.5, do you mind? if you can find two mistake, three mistake in grammatical point, the one that each one of us supposed to do in our last 5 minutes in writing task 1. Which one?
Okay,
does-
try.
Hmm.
first. We can find that.
The mistake can be capital letter, can be comma, any other punctuation, grammatical
Yeah, yeah.
point, singular, plural, something like that.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Hmm.
Uh, Something. Okay. We can find that the UK, I guess. It should be.
The UK, where is the UK?
Yeah. From this table, we can find that the United Kingdom has the biggest proportion of household income.
Nah, it's not. You don't have to put the UK. Yeah, UK as well is already represent. Yeah, it doesn't have to be
Mm-mm.
there.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, okay.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
Okay. What else?
Okay.
Others also. Others can as well as practice yourself in editing. This case is your friend writing, but later on for you. Maybe punctuation.
European countries, it should be in capital.
Excellent. European country.
That's
Which one the capital one, Miss? In E or in C or in both?
The European.
Yeah, the European, yeah. This supposed to be capital. Capital letter with E. Thank you. Any other? Okay, participate. Olivia maybe. Or Kia himself maybe can fix. I believe because you do everything in a hurry, but actually you know it. Only you don't realize, yeah. And then when you send, and then you realize that you have mistake. Maybe Kia can fix.
The table, it should be a table with table.
Yes,
not table.
positioning, yeah. Table, table. Okay. And then?
Highest point, Miss. Highest.
Highest,
With
yes.
the
Spelling,
middle,
yeah.
the age.
Where is the highest? I saw also. Highest, yes. Especially if you type with computer, yeah, it shows red color. Yeah, it's supposed to be highest. And then?
So about no one always get the lowest point. It just kind of confusing. The lowest should be gone, I guess.
The always, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, because it is not always. So it is not explaining very well that it is not always. It is in some point getting the lowest point. Yeah. Even though when he write like that also it doesn't make any concern actually, because it's just becoming blurred, yeah, but that is what he intends to say. Yeah, Kia meant that no one always, because he wants to show, he wants to refer, maybe there is one country might always get the lowest point, but in this case no one gets the lowest point. But no one in here supposed to be mentioned. No one is a person, yeah, but Germany surely not a person. So no country, yeah, you have to be specific. Okay, now if it is no one always get, yeah, and then Germany singular, yes. Okay, no one also, each one of them means singular. Meriting what in this one?
Gets.
Yes. Get. In here also gets. Okay, good one. Any other that you can maybe find the mistake? Creating the sentence with "and" it is not allowed. It's like when you speak and then you add "and." Okay, for speaking session, yeah. But for writing, it is called redundancy, yeah. It's not needed. You have to create an efficient writing, yeah. An efficient writing means yes, you can add connectors, but the connectors that is really will make a smooth transition, but not "and," yeah. For example, another case, yeah, and you change with from this table we can find. Yes, Olivia, did you mention something? Who can replace "and" with another connectors?
On the other hand,
Yes, on the other hand, conjunction works in here. On the other hand, comma, yeah, it is important. Comma. Of course, this is, I'm sorry, this is not in red color. Yeah, something like that. So barely when you do 5 minutes editing, check on first singular plural. Second, check on the tenses. Third, check on the spelling. And then above all, check also the coherence. What is coherence means? Coherence is something it has to be related to the topic card. Because sometimes your answer is maybe out of the line, yeah, without you realize it, yeah. So just take a look at the topic card, and then I'm writing my correct answer based on the given questions, yeah. So this is the strategy, yeah, the strategy of doing for each paragraph. This is not only for paragraph 2, yeah, but as well as for the paragraph 3. We will proceed to paragraph 3, yeah. After singular plural checking, yeah, because singular plural either in subject, either in object, it will relate to the verb itself, yeah. For example, Germany, you know that it is singular, of course, and then you have to put that "s" in here. But if it is German people, yeah, of course, plural, and then you don't need to put "s" on the verb. It's something like that, yeah, kind of related to tenses later on. And then the spelling, of course, yeah, you cannot miss a single letter for any of the vocabulary. Coherence, because it has to be related to the topic card. What is the given question? And then the fifth one is the synonym. Synonym is the one that required in the last one. Yeah, when you are already fluent, when you are in 3 minutes already can produce long writing, and then you still have time, change some of the vocabulary. Okay, with the high quality one. Okay, now after I give this brief explanation about the one that you have to pay attention, yeah, we will take a look at again to the picture. Miss Dewi or Mr. Tony, yes, can you explain or can you repeat again what's supposed to be fit for the paragraph 3? If you recall, paragraph 3.
okay, for the first paragraph, it should be done in 7 minutes, and the details, the thing that should be done is the details in comparison, and you should put it in order or yeah, some kind of a chronological order.
Good point. Good point. Yeah. So it's supposed to be in chronological order if there is time, but it's supposed to be in time in line order. You see from the beginning, food and drink, and then go to the right. Yeah. Actually, that is also to not confuse the reader. Yeah, and then not to confuse ourselves in writing. Good one. And then the detail. Yeah, the detail supposed to be comparing. Any of you still confused? What is the meaning by the detail in comparing, in comparison? Let's try. Yeah, 7 minutes. You have 7 minutes, exactly the way that we did previously with the paragraph 2. I will give the timing for you to write. Paragraph 2, you writing task 1 table starting 20, and then finish in 28. Okay. Please do write and then send me as usual. Ending in 2028, yeah. Vio, I will write my handphone number in here. You can just send me your writing. So I can send the picture. Do you get? Vio?
Yes, Miss.
Yeah, I will give you extra time.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
You're welcome. left 1 minute. Consideration is you already do the editing. Little of editing of each paragraph. Okay, thank you, Jalu. Oh, I'm sorry, who is the number ending with 120? 0811 120.
It's me, Miss Adiba.
Adiba. Yeah, Adiba. Okay. Okay, so, something appears and then it is very interesting, yeah. With the one that handed in by Miss Dewi. I'm going to copy paste hers into sorry. Has everyone sent? Olivia, you did. With the number of 5399, who is the owner of this number? 5399.
I am Miss Tony.
Go ahead, Tony. Okay. Yeah. I've read. This is the one that is written by Dewi, yes, right? Dewi?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Mm-mm.
If you can take a glance on it, yeah, it has the percentage. Good. That is what it is expected in the paragraph 3, yeah, that you have to state the number, yeah, either that this one is in percentage, others maybe in million, that it has to be shown. The one that is not appear in second paragraph, yeah, in second paragraph barely just sentence that describe the highest and then the lowest, yeah, without number, but this is explain detail in numbers. This is what I want to see, yeah, clear. And then the second, but the second one, yeah, what is the first category of the one that has to be put in third paragraph? Comparison, yeah? Comparison, right, Miss Dewi? If you want to explain this, which one that shows comparison? Your comparison is in the category or in the country?
It should be in the category.
It should be in the category, in your opinion, yeah? In your opinion.
Yeah, in my opinion.
Okay. So that is what you mentioned in here, yeah? Because there is another way also. The comparison in the places.
In the country.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, place.
Yes, this case countries. But in some part, yeah, if you can show the one that is in the category, yeah, and then it shows comparison, I'm okay. Take a look at this one. Yeah, do you mind reading your own writing? I will make it bigger. I will make it bigger first so your friend can see it.
Yeah.
Because there are option, yeah, in writing there are option, and then that is depend on each one of you which one that you want to write. Okay.
Yeah. You have to play with that creatively.
yes, in a short amount of time. This is another sample because most of your friends write that in based on countries, not based on category.
Oh really?
Yeah, I didn't say wrong, yeah, but let us see.
Yeah. And the sentences is in details, food and drink sector has no more than 40%, with 25% in France, 22% in Germany, 27% in UK, 36% in Turkey, and only 31% in Spain. At the same time, the same peak is also appears in housing, with 31% in France, 33% in Germany, 37% in UK, 20% in Turkey, and only 18% in Spain. On the contrary, it should be on the contrary, clothing may has the lowest percentage with no more than 15%, 7% in France, 15% in Germany, 17% in UK, 12% in Turkey, and only 8% in Spain. Entertainment, on the other hand, has less than 20%, or 13% in France, 19% in Germany, 11% in UK, 10% in Turkey, and just 15% in Spain. Thank you.
Okay, so in this case, yeah, Mr. Tony, I want to hear from others, yeah. if she mentioned like this, is this the proper one according to your opinion? Yeah, according to your opinion. Because I want you to all feel welcome in this group and then saying your opinion. I think this is okay, Miss, but I think this is not okay. Please be my guest, yeah. How about you, Mr. Tony? The way Miss Dewi explained is based on category.
I mean, I think this is to it is need to describe all of the number, or do we just need to describe?
Yes, if you have time, yeah, what it is expected is the number is the one that I already mentioned in the very beginning. Yes, you have to state the number for the paragraph 3, yeah. You have to mention the number. That is the function of the number itself, yeah. Yes, you have to put that exactly in the 3rd paragraph, yeah.
Okay.
But my opinion is the way she put the category as the focus of the details of comparison, is it suitable? All of you write not about the category. All of you, yeah, except Miss Dewi, yeah, write based on the country first. And then it's lower, sometimes still having the highest, something like that, yeah. But based on always in, okay, to make it fast, yeah. Anyone wants to give any suggestion? I wait for 1 minute about this writing. Olivia as well based on the country. Jose also. Ingat. Country as well. Okay, yes, true. Now I'm giving the direction, yeah. Miss Dewi, if I ask you this opinion, yeah, you are very good. It didn't cross my mind, yeah, that you can see that through category, yeah. Food and drink sector has more than 40%. This is excellent, yeah. That is your observing. Okay, and then at the same time, the same peak is also appear in housing. That is a deep analyzing, yeah. Peak is also appear in housing. So does that mean that housing is always having the highest? What do you mean?
Actually, it is, but no, yeah, but no in Spain. I guess. Yeah, not in Spain.
Not in Spain, yeah, but mostly, yeah, mostly it appears housing tends to be the highest, yeah. Except, yeah, tends to be the highest, yeah. That is evaluation, yeah. And then clothing, why I make this may, yeah. May means some possibility, okay. If you are sure, no need to put may. Clothing has the lowest percentage. And then this is your evaluation with no more than 15%. Yeah, I didn't pay attention on that really. Next, good one, yeah. Entertainment, on the other hand, has less than 20% in the percentage of household income, yeah. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. After this, don't you think this should, did you see any comparison in this, Miss Dewi? Comparison. There is no comparison
Yeah.
in this one. You remember? But Miss Dewi, the one that you state in here, you can put them in second paragraph, totally all without number, yeah, without number, yeah.
Yeah.
You mentioned that as general overview. This is excellent, excellent. As I said,
Okay.
yeah, I didn't pay attention to this one when I explained about second paragraph, yeah. But this is second paragraph all. Erase the one that I didn't underline, yeah. Erase the one that I didn't
Yeah.
underline, yeah. Is it number can be appear, Miss, in second paragraph? Yes, yeah, yes. Because it's not explaining the detail. It's a summary, yeah. No more than 40%, and then less than, no more than 15%. Yeah, that is evaluation. That is the general overview, right, Miss Dewi? Yeah, but this is not
Okay.
comparing, yeah. When you mention 25%, 22%, 27%, 36%, that is barely you are reading the data one by one, not comparing. Okay, yeah. So this is good example to explain to all of you, yeah. There is another way of evaluating the general overview by the category, and then take a look at the number, and then if you pay attention closer, you get this summary. Yeah, good one. So I'm going to transform this, yeah, of course, without the, I don't want to erase this. I will just copy paste. Yeah. So don't let yourself be wrong in evaluating, yeah, which one's supposed to be the general overview, and then don't do the details, which is only just mention the number in order, yeah. No, yeah, that is not the one that you're supposed to be put in your third paragraph. The third paragraph has to be comparison, and then the only way in here to compare is by the country, yeah, the one with already did previously, yeah, together. Okay, so at the same time, okay, I will erase the May. If you can make this evaluation, Miss, in the second paragraph, yeah, and then you write this, your score will be 8 if you write the proper paragraph 3. So that's how you raise your score. Your analysis is very good. So yeah, so this one in here, second paragraph, not in details. We can as well observe that food and drink sector has no more blah 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 blah. Yeah, good one. Thank you for giving us the what, yeah, good and good analyzing in specific one. Yeah, but that is not supposed to be in paragraph 3. I will take one more for any of you, yeah, for any of you that is doing this session. I don't have ability to review each one of you, yeah, but outside my time, tomorrow morning or the next morning before our session, I already going to send you the feedback of your each writing, yeah. But the one that I choose in my session only maybe 1 or 2 writing. Is that okay? Yeah. Yeah, you will have all my feedback, but behind, not in here, yeah, because we are lack of time in regular class, always like that, yeah. But I believe that every time I give feedback on one student's writing, it will give you knowledge, yeah. So you maybe do the one that is the good one from her writing, or you can evaluate her writing and then not making the same mistake, yeah. Okay. Now the one that I would like to get is from Latisha. Latish. Where is Latisha?
Yes.
Now I'm going to take your writing as the sample. Yeah.
I'm not confident enough with my writing though.
No problem. Yeah, it was that in here we learn together. As I mentioned. I'm going to erase. This is your writing, right, Miss?
Yes.
Yes.
Wait.
Until where? Until where? Because it's combined with Miss Dewi, right?
Yeah, I'm a little bit confused. From here from the table that is given.
Drink sector not included. Okay. Food and
It starts from the table that is given. Yes.
yeah. Okay. From the table, do you mind writing, reading for us, Miss?
Okay. From the table that is given, we can see that Turkey held the highest proportion in the food and drink category, whilst Germany stand as the lowest, followed by UK, which held the highest proportion in housing category by displaying the percentage of 37%, and Spain to be the lowest of the other countries, showing a number of 18%. While in the last two categories, in the clothing and entertainment category, it displayed the number of 11%. That shows the household income of UK.
Okay. So, this is combination, yeah. The one that Latisha show us is the combination comparing country as well as comparing the category. Isn't it?
Yes.
Yes. But then this is the one that we want to see. Yeah. I didn't limit. Yeah. I didn't limit. You can compare the category as long it is comparing. Yeah. Not mentioning single single number one by one until finish. Yeah. Like that. Yeah. In here, this is the summary. But let's see if the summary is it proper to be put in here or better in the second paragraph. Yeah, we will see. I will check all in the grammatical point and then as well as is this really comparison or no, yeah. From the table that is given, comma, punctuation is needed. We can see that the Turkey held the highest proportion in the food and drink category. If I want to know why is there any purpose that you put this all in past tense?
I don't know. I just feel that way.
It's just well that way because I see also there is no consistency. Yeah, in here you are making in past tense, but in here you are making in present tense. Of course, in present tense also you need S for Germany. Yeah, so make sure that you are. If you want to make everything in past tense, it's okay. Yeah, yeah. If you want to make everything in present tense, it's okay. But in this case, you cannot mix. Yeah, this is obviously in one period of time. right? Yeah, make sure
Okay.
consistency appears. Consistency appears, yeah. In here, I see mix, yeah. Sometimes it is in present, sometimes it is in past. Of course, that is something that all of us has to avoid. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, that was it. And then from this table that is given, we can see that Turkey holds the highest proportion in the food and drink category. Is this comparison? Yes, because after that it is continuous. Germany stands as the lowest.
As
Yeah,
the
it is
lowest.
comparison. So this is allowed in third paragraph. Yeah, comparison. Details but comparison. But as I mentioned again, you need to put the number. How much is
Yeah, I forgot to put the
scoring in
number.
the percentage? Yes, we when we are in a rush, yeah, we we tend to forget. But later on, you can just fix this one, yeah. Okay. Followed by UK, which have the highest proportion. This is spelling mistake. Highest with age proportion in housing. Followed by UK, which held the highest proportion in housing category by displaying the percentage of 37%. And Spain to be the lowest in the other country, showing a number of 18%. This is both for housing category.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it is comparing between UK and the rest of the countries.
No, UK and Spain.
Oh,
But I'm saying that Spain is the lowest
okay. UK and
from the
Spain.
other
Okay.
countries.
That means it is okay. Yeah. It is okay because still comparison. Even though you don't mention other country, only two countries, UK and Spain, but it is allowed. Yeah. As long as it is comparison. Okay, thank you. That is fit to be put. And then if you want to be more detailed, yeah, if you want to raise the highest score, mention all that is the one expected from this writing, from this paragraph. Mention the scoring. The scoring for both, for UK as well, and then also for Spain. 18% is a Spain number?
Yes, it's Spain.
Okay,
Spain
that
to be
this
the
is
lowest
perfect.
from
Yeah,
other
this is
countries.
perfect.
I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
this is perfect. It shows the number. It shows the comparison between UK and Spain. Only this one supposed to be capital letter. Spain,
Yes.
Spain, and then UK already, and then done. Yeah, you can put this one in the paragraph 3. Comparison. Comparison between each countries, mentioning the number. Next one, while in the last two categories, in the clothing and entertainment category, it displayed the number of 11% that shows the household income of UK. In this one, yeah, which one that you compare, Miss?
I actually didn't compare this one. I only set the numbers of 11%
Yeah,
from the clothing and entertainment since it shows the same number.
okay, that means this supposed to be in, it's supposed to be, if you want to mention that in here, you are collecting all, yeah. You are making this together with Miss Dewi, creating something that is analyzing. Yeah, you realize that 11%. Yeah, it shows that is the general one. Yeah, it displayed the number of 11%. Yeah. Okay, so because if it is not comparison, oh, you mentioned that is comparison because both of them having 11%, like that.
Yeah, more
Yeah.
likely so.
Yeah, which mean having the same number. Having the same number.
Yeah.
While in the last two categories, in the clothing and entertainment category, it displays the number of 11% that shows the household income of UK.
I'm sorry if it's confusing because I was in a rush and I was panicking.
It displays the number of 11% that shows the household income of UK. Yes, this is something becoming the overview. Yeah, something becoming the overview that's showing the similar number. Yeah, displayed the similar number in here. We are adding. Yeah, so your reader understand that, oh, it has something similar with this one, with this category. Yeah. Okay, so that is becoming the general overview, but not comparison, because it is similar. Comparison, the one that expected in the third paragraph is the comparison that tends to show different. So it differentiates one aspect with other aspect. Yeah, that's why the similarity supposed to be appear in paragraph 2. Yeah. Okay. So this is all, yeah, the one that I can give for today. Yeah, I'm sorry, first session for me, but I directly go into the practice. Yeah, but I believe that the one my explanation about Dewi, and then as well as Latisha, and then the before one already give you something to reflect. Yeah, now in your own time. Yeah, I want you after I will give this slide in the group. Who is not here? Rinaldi, yeah. Mr. Rinaldi also asked me, Miss, can you send the summary? I will send this in our group, and then I want you to make again writing, which is full from first paragraph until third paragraph, and then send me anytime you have time, yeah, before our next session. Yeah, if you send, and then I give the feedback. Okay, if you don't send, it's up to you. Yeah, you can just manage your time. Okay, is that clear? Or anyone still have any question? We still have around 2 minutes. You can ask me questions related to my explanation.
So, ma'am, just to make sure. So in paragraph 3, we just can compare the highest and the lowest, or we must put in the details every numbers of the country, or just need the highest and the lowest?
Comparing, could you kindly repeat? I'm not very sure that I'm afraid I get the wrong.
For the third paragraph, for comparing, can we just compare the highest and the lowest, or we must describe every country or every category?
As I mentioned again, if you have time, of course you mention all. As long as it is comparison, as long as it is related to compare. Yeah, do we have to mention all, Miss? If you have time, yes. To reach the highest score that you expect to have, of course. Yeah, you mention all. Okay, so let me see your writing so I can evaluate. Yeah, but you make sure that your writing is 20 minutes. 20 minutes total. Yeah. Oh yeah, before the writing that you later on create, paragraph 1, 2, 3, I want it in 20 minutes you do without dictionary. Yeah, show me the real writing, don't show me perfection. Yeah, the real writing in the real time. Can you do that all? Yeah, you can see your improvement later on. Trust me, you can see your improvement later on. But once you show me something that is you use gadget, yeah, and then it will be something that bothers you in the later on, because there is no fooling. Yeah, ask Dewi. Yeah, the real test that is really the timing is just like that.
Yeah, it was hectic.
Yeah, if you try to a little bit naughty, yeah, by using dictionary in my session, I wouldn't know if I help you or no, yeah, because I thought you already perfect, yeah. But if you want to be honest by yourself, and then you can see your improvement, because later on your weakness, I will add the thing that you need. But if I see that you already create perfect writing, then I wouldn't give any. Yeah, so just show me your real writing. Yeah, in a specific time. Yeah, 20 minutes release, 20 minutes. Okay. Any other questions? If no, I will close our session. Yes. So you do understand, yes, what you have to write. You are going to write paragraph 1, 2, 3 in 20 minutes and then send me. Yeah. With all the feedback I give to Miss Dewi and Latisha, I believe you can learn from that and then fix your previous writing that you already sent me. Okay. Okay. No questions, Mr. Tony?
When should I send the task, the 20 minutes task to you, Miss?
Anytime
Oh.
before our session, yeah, before our session, so I have time to give my feedback, yeah, because sometimes I have other class, and then usually my time of checking is in the morning around 8 a.m. before my other class, yeah, but in the middle, if it is already afternoon, then it is full, yeah. So anytime I have the time, I will directly give the feedback. Okay. Theo, can you follow us?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, do you understand every feedback that I gave to your friends in here?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, so hopefully that you can be with us later on, and any of the information, yeah, it's going to be given detail to each one of you into a private message, yeah. In the class, I take only two writings, yeah, but it will help you all, yeah. Today is about table. I'm sorry, this was wrong. Today is about table. Next session it will be about pie chart, yeah. So it's going to be different. Have the same thing, has a little bit of different things, yeah. Okay, thank you all. And then I'm sorry if I speak too fast or I don't give change to all of you to ask questions, yeah. But feel free to just contact me personally behind, yeah. Okay, thank you. I'm closing the session for today, yeah. I'll see you next Wednesday.
Miss.
Okay,
Thank you, Miss.
Yeah.
Good night.
Thank
Have
you,
a good
Miss.
night.
Please.
Salam.
Thank you. Miss,